All major rivers in Manipur flowing above danger mark following incessant rains. Several areas flooded in Imphal. Campaigning in full swing as only 11 days are left for IMC election. Candidates of various political parties hoist flags. And Works Minister visits Tecnopal to assess landslide. Over 60 passenger and goods vehicles stranded due to the landslide. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I'm Laithima Monica bringing you the top stories. All the major rivers of the state are flowing above danger mark following incessant rains in the last 4 to 5 days. People living near the banks of the Imphal River placed sand and earthquakes to block the water on the river banks. The water level had risen since last night, overflowing the river banks, creating panic for the people settled on the banks. Affected people said instead of waiting for government help, the locals started to put sand and earthquakes to prevent spread of floodwaters. The local resident expressed dissatisfaction over the authorities' lack of preparedness to tackle the problem.
Sarkar ki di hauji problem overall borong mani ngasi ki ising je adu akhoi hidai di hauji ki oina di sarkar ki karigumba khudong chaba amma lobagi mammi ta tadri hauji ki oina di adu mayam atopa mafam na tolong godri khangde khurai puthiba lekai nan debam lekha hekru ma khongba ki di aina khamadam ta udri na khali government da haining ji hauji akhoi na taka wali ba iban pramam da hauji phaglong wali ba degi le bora wali ba fcd ki mogi store da leri ba pot khara ya department oina khatang bibi raga di yam nungai ne khali.
Flood waters of the Nambul River have inundated several places in Sagolban, causing serious inconveniences to the people. The highway near Sagolban, Moirang, Lerak, Machin and several localities have been submerged under floodwater. The bridges of river banks were repaired using JCB under the direction of Sagolban MLA RK Imo. Several places in Imphal district have been submerged under floodwaters. Village number 18 and Chagem Lokon in Uyumpok Gram Panchayat have been submerged under floodwaters from Kamelok Marine, and about 300 hectares of paddy fields have been affected by the flood. Speaking to Impact News, Uyumpok GP President W. Koknganbi said the paddy fields are flooded even after a light shower after Doilai Thawi Dam was constructed in Kamelok Marine. The local MLA have been apprised of the situation and cleaning of the Kamelok Marine. He said construction of the retaining wall along the bank began recently, but due to the rain, the work has been halted. He also appealed to the farmers to hold meeting to discuss the situation and department concerned to look into the matter.
Ising chi chumna chen hi dabdu chen bangam dabdagi ngasi Kamelok turen si laga dam si tiga hajalaga Uyumpok village number 18 ki Chagem Lokon pakha hari be lokol si charu ohum thokpai charu ani di Low Pan Bayadre, how we will say the shoe. Emeleda 2014 Dako Jene body Pamaga, Seta Kare, Mana City program, Asabunatra de Aroe, Anjuna Tobiri Sampay, do Tono Honasi, having a Sibaudi, Adokis Sapsal Planche, Mahisadri, Atumatam, Karama Mount Toroga, Karama Operation Pipe, happy to Kumna Yangaraga, Shiki Katang, Matiang Pamboyaga, Habisi, Sarkan, Miang Champi.
Potsangwam Siamjit, a farmer from Uyumpok Mamanglekai, said frequent floods have occurred in the area in the last 5 years. The flooding of farm and paddy fields have caused loss of about 50 to 40 lakh rupees. But the government has not taken any measure to solve the problem. He also said if the situation prevails, then they will be unable to carry on farming in the future.
Government ki side tagi karigumba mata semjan sajan bige haibagi wakhanju laiba ude matung da semjan sajan birakani haibagi thajabo jo khoi laiba ngamjadre thabak surga hingjari ba khoi gumba kaya jidi noma noma gi hen phibam chadaba lo uba ngamaktaba gi phibam da lei MLA gi side tagi huji phokda pradhan da mateng khara pangba gi khotpa gi de hai adu khoi tongana di khoina si matawi haibadu mde khoi mina khongna ujadri ngasi chauriba ising sigi phibam jidi Singda Mangwamang Poktorpa, Nomagi, Sing Chawbagi, Pibam Zai Kuding the Gi, Hen Adum Henselakpagi, Pibam Mama, Lay.
Panicked people have been trying to repair the bridge banks without waiting for the government's help. Residents of Singjamei Mathak Thokchom Lekai are repairing the bridges to prevent spread of floodwater. Forest and Environment Minister I. Hemochandra, who is the local MLA, also inspected the banks. He said as the embankment has been recently built, the banks collapsed due to the level of the water.
Akoi sigi level simakti amukta di si yawnadi in the recent adi khara chahi manga am tara am da di sigi phibam sidi amukta di yawdabani ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯖꯤꯅꯤꯌꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯌꯨꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯃꯣꯅꯤꯇꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯚꯔꯐ꯭ꯂꯣꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯤꯄꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯋꯤꯛ ꯖꯣꯟꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯟꯖꯟ ꯍꯟꯖꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯐꯅꯌꯥꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯟꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯦꯛꯇꯦड ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯟꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯇꯦड ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ.
Several houses have been submerged under floodwater of Wangzing River in Tenthakuno. People have appealed to the government to provide them timely help. Bridges have appeared along the banks of the Imphal River near Kurai Lamlong Thong, creating panic among the people. Bridges appeared near Kurai Lamlong Higher Secondary School, Lamlong Lai Putiba, Kurai Janam Leirak, Tharo Devi Lampak, Kurai Salanthong, Kurai MLA Angie Bijoy came to the spot to assess the situation.
Palin ngai ba sai se pik pana maru ka da asi khara kai ga na khoi no jing leba khara kitang pelap to ba duna amu happy mamang lom da si lei si makhom jele gi stegi start to ga sum chan khara ga kilometer ahum ki chang sin pura yam thina soi na si gi oina de whole day khoi dum na sayung ta da gi dum khonar pani aduna anam ma khai de control to re adu da khoi hoji department side gi su bora gumba da gi kari material khara di khoi pi han ningi adu anam ta lak tabna maram or kana khitang awaba se khoi gi kanoda lei adu angam ba khoi lekai dagi yum sanaba mayam dagi puthopirakpa singdi anam mana hoji aduna seasonary.
Lack of materials needed in case of emergencies in flood situation in Irrigation and Flood Control Department IFCD has hampered the officials concerned in fighting the situation. Several places in the state have been submerged under flood water following the incessant rains that lashed the state for the last 4 to 5 days. People affected by the flood today approached the IFCD storeroom at Lamphel to get empty cement bags, split bamboo mat, ordinary mat and bamboo to fight flood situation. However, much to the dismay of the people, there was no sufficient stock of these items in the storeroom. Section officer of the department, L. Babu, said as the authority does not stock sufficient materials, it is difficult to meet the needs of the people at a time of emergency. Till now, the department has provided 5,900 empty cement bags, 70 split bamboo mats, 10 ordinary mats, 10 and 20 bamboo poles to flood-hit people at Kurai Salanthong, Minuthong Golapati, Kairang Muslim Awang Lekai, Yai School, Singjamai Khetri Lekai, Ahalub, Kairang Thong Ahaibi, Haingang Mayai Lekai, and Thobal Irong Khordang Lekai.
Material amta hana thambida banina matikan thambida bina koi matik mayam ni lakpada koina kana ta wongam de mayam gi pelan mangam de mayam gi kharaga yanana ba koina kharaga thungnana ba hona jabana uji material ji lakni on the way lai koi yari gi pina ba hona jabani.
Meanwhile, the flood-affected people who came for the emergency materials expressed their dissatisfaction at the undue wait to get them from the storeroom. They also said they were not happy with the arrangement and appealed to the authorities to look into the matter and help them.
Achauba nongli nuksit nong amaga lakani haibagi alert amasu ngasi khabar sing print media da loina mo phongba khoi akiba leiba marak sida siumagi nong adumba chu laktringe gi marak ki ising e chau sida bogda IFC department gi kanguna matik chana hairiba da kawi pot si je piba ngamda ba targadi adumba achauba nongli nuksit loina lakadaba nong dugi makha tarak pada leigadawa pibam do khanjabda khoi awabam poi aduna leiribo authority na karigumba control room hangadi masak thokna sufficient noiba madugi da kawi pot so thambiu pibiu.
Campaigning is in full swing as only 11 days are left for the Imphal Municipal Corporation election, which is scheduled on June 2. Candidates of various political parties hosted the party's flag in different wards in Imphal East and Imphal West. Indian National Congress candidate Lokrakpam Ongbi Tongbi Devi, who is contesting from ward number 20 in Yai School Assembly constituency, hosted her flag at her residence at Wangkai Pukrambam Leirak today. MPCC President Ian Haukib and Yai School MLA Ilangbam Chand were present at the flag hoisting ceremony. Speaking at the event, MPCC President said it is time to clean the drainage using modern technology as incessant rains have flooded many areas in the valley. BJP candidate Thenguzam Bijayan from Yai School Assembly Constituency Ward number 20 hosted the BJP flag at his residence at Wangkai Kaithela Sangbi. The flag hoisting ceremony was attended by BJP Manipur Pradesh State Election Management Committee convener Thongnamjam Chauba and other party leaders. Lok Janashakti Party candidate Ngangbam Bijayan from Yai School Assembly Constituency Ward number 14 hoisted the party's flag at his residence and Yai School. MLA Karam Shyam and other party workers attended the event. MLA Karam Shyam was optimistic that Ngangbam Bijayan will win the seat. Works Minister Khetrime Biren today visited Technopal in Chandel district to assess the landslide in the area. The minister assured that a 150 feet long Bailey Bridge will be constructed shortly from the state fund. President of Joint Action Committee on Imphal More Road Transporters Association, Ngangom Haridas expressed his dissatisfaction over the manner in which the state government responded to yesterday's landslide in Technopal. He said the landslide could have been avoided if the government took timely measures. He added that the landslide will affect the life of the people, and Haridas said following the landslide, more than 60 passenger vehicles and trucks loaded with essential commodities have been stranded. Imphal More Road is one of the lifelines of the state. A number of essential commodities are brought from the international border town, More.
State government की पैसा पुथोक चरगा मसिदा सांगबा बेली ब्रिज मा हाप के ना होना बनी अदुना हौदा दरंगा सी थोकीबा थोक से मसिदा की कोई अथु मतम दा जे मिचिन में आमा सिजनरगा लंबी से पास तौना बकोय होना कनी
हाइबा फमसी नोय ताबदा सोयन तलनी हाइना कोन हंजन हंजन सरकार दा प्रेस मीडिया दा लाउजगिबिदो ताबीदबदगी हौजिक ओरिबा फिमसु ओरकपनी अदो हौजिक लंबी से सेमदा ता लुसबा यादो मांगदे अदो प्रजासिंग वारिबसे मरी लेदमसिंगना यिंगहनबि हाबसे कोन लाउजबसे ताबीदबसे कोइ खतन नुगाइदे.
One-day convention on the demand for inclusion of Meitei Meitei in the scheduled tribe list of Indian Constitution is in progress at Iboyaima Sumanglila Sanglen in Palace Compound. Speakers at the convention opined that inclusion of the Meitei Meitei in the scheduled tribe list will be the most effective means to protect the indigenous people of the state. They said even if the 3 bills passed by the state government are converted into an act, the Supreme Court can stay it. So the inclusion in the scheduled tribe list is the best means to protect the indigenous people. The speakers also termed the opposition by certain section of the people to the demand for inclusion of Meitei Meitei in the ST list as unfortunate. More than 1,000 students, members of various civil society organizations and individuals participated in the convention. Retired Colonel R.K. Rajendra moderated the discussion. The convention was organized by Coordinating Body on Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee of Manipur.
Why ST si yam samna harbada ayel pe ngasi talibi man se maitei ji muthi ga dore therefore koi ngaklu changi haibagi profam ni adugi ngaklu du thira ekoi ki lamdu kallagadi lamdu ki puwari du su kallagani lamdu ki puwari du kallagadi lamdu ka sagonari puwari haibani ko adu de maitei ekoi ki saktam ekoi ki na culture kallagani chahi singani ki puwari le rami 한타바 탁탁 꿈바 야게 하이 와품세 시리 와무레 나게 진다는 농신나시 하이리고 진다 농신나시 하이 아무런데는 뭐이고 한타바 탁 하이베시 또시 이진에 나오네 하이라디 마네바 플랫폼다 라시.
The 4th Devashri Naraj Journalist Award 2016 has been awarded to retired IIS L. Syamzai. The award presented to L. Syamzai at a function held at Manipur Dramatic Union. Speakers at the event highlighted the roles of the journalist and Manipur. Editor-in-chief of Impact News, Y. Rupachandra, stressed the role of media in the society.
Media is the Thore report, Facebook the Thore report source mafrang khangdabanina thajabadi dum wali. Adubu masigizu thajaba wali haidunasu masina amuk sanadiba role amana haujiksi mainstream media si gatekeeper mayam ama lei hai tagasu gatekeeper mayam jisu not unsellable haibudu oidre haibadi mi khudingmaki mamal lei haibudu maina corrupted oidi haibu nupadu it is matter of the price ni haina basu lei.
Devashri Naraj Journalist Awardee retired IIS L. Syamjai said the journalist must work with sincerity and have integrity.
ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯐꯪꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯨꯝꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯐꯝ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯆꯥꯛ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯃꯟ ꯄꯤꯄꯜꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯙꯔꯃꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯃꯗ ꯄꯤꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯠꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯙꯔꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯙꯔꯃ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ.
The statue of Gurumayum Gaurakishore Sharma, who was the director of Huyen Lalong Manipur Thangta Cultural Association and an exponent of Manipuri martial art, Thangta, was unveiled today on his first death anniversary today. The event was held at Huyen Lalong Manipur Thangta Cultural Association at Irilbung in Imphal East. Speaking on the occasion, MP Dr. T.H. Maine said the art form Thangta is recognized by Indian Olympic Association and expressed the need to introduce the rare art form in the world. He also recalled the contribution of Gaurakishore, who was a Padma Shri awardee, to promote and preserve the art form. Notice Biography Forum posthumously awarded the title Thangtagi Nong Sarel to Gaurakishore Sharma. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Delta Tutorals for CBSE. Admissions open. Class 9, 10 and 12 Science from April 4. Class 12 Arts from May 4. Class 11 Science from June 6. Vacation course for Navodayas and others from May 4. Class timing 5:30 to 9:30 a.m. and 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. For details, please visit Delta Tutorals between 6 a.m. to 7 p.m.
The first urban cross hatchback Datsun Ready Go with 800cc Supna Tagilupa Lak Animakai Piba car Sigi features Sindi ground clearance 185 mm, space 222 liters, power steering, drive computer, mileage 25.14 km per liter, immobilizer, passenger class warranty. Lupalisang mga khata na book tawbi hauro. Island Nissan near Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kantipur, Imphal. Datsun Ready Go.
Manipurgi ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahanba ngami tattoo mole freckle na chingbasu lauthokpa yai hakchang gi ahenba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ahanba lakpiba 100 customer da skin test amadi doctor consultation lemna hingjagan ngasi mag unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic, MZ Avenue, Imphal.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News. At least 6 Assam Rifles personnel, including one ZCO, were killed in an ambush today around 12:45 p.m. in Hengsi village under Tengnopal police station in Chandel district. Commanding officer of 29 Assam Rifles, R.R. Singh, with the convoy, was returning after inspecting a landslide at Hengsing near Zaupi when heavily armed men ambushed them. One ZCO and 5 Jawans were killed on the spot. The armed men also snatched weapons including 1 LMG, 4 AK-47 rifles and 1 Insast rifle. CORR Singh escaped unhurt in the ambush. A protest was held at Kaisampat Junction today against frequent ban, blockade and strike in the state. 71 bans were called till May 21 this year. It is worth mentioning that state's economy suffered a loss of 35 crore rupees per day during ban or strike. The frequent blockade, ban and strike immensely impacts the life of students and daily wage earners. The protesters appealed to all the groups and organizations not to call frequent ban on petty issues.
Hujik Manipur da ban gi chanabi se yamna toire ado khoin haining idi ban sina maram oiraga no magi chara tan mi sing da su wai ado agang sing gi school gi mahausa mo gi laik tam gi rhythm su kai adigi amang ma mayam ILP तालीजे अखोई मयामगी फननबने हेदि अखोई मयाम अपुनबगी कैनोमा हायंवाई तुमकोना कानानबा अमा लाकपगिनि अदुदा बी थिंगे हाइदुनसु अटैक हेक तौबीबा नदगा फुबा नुंगथोंबा अद सीजे तोहनिंगदे हेदि अखोई इचिनाव गाक्तनि अदो अखोई मसेन जुम साउनरादि अखोइना मरुएना क्वाइ फर्स्ट ILP की कॉज की दमकते थोकलाइजे असिजो अखोई साउनादुना दुम तोखाइना ताबगी चांस ले अखोइना अपील तौजनिंगबदि मयामजे इंगना चिकना शांतिदा ओइना प्रोटेस्ट तौनसे
All Manipur written test successful candidate of Police Constable Male 2030 in a press release said it supports the ongoing ILPS movement and appealed to all not to disturb the candidates who are appearing for Viva Voce at First Manipur Rifles. JC against the misconduct of Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2016 urged Manipur Public Service Commission to reconduct the Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2016 as there were mistakes in the instruction. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, JAC President Ayam Robindro said, according to the instruction number 9, there will be no penalty for wrong answers, but in the following subclause, the instruction said 1/3 of the mark will be deducted for every wrong answer. This has caused confusion among the candidates.
campaign to be matamsu ki kano se bal lebrina ko exchange to bom thui adubu musik pekha se makhatana ko ki chi yeng ko everything kan ko realize to biraga pekha ja hiduk taba aduba nauna amu ri exam phajana mau tana ko aram ba kai taba aduba phot ama lai se ko site gi ko gi on victim oi ba am support to ba mayam gi site gi ko ina pamse.
Week-long Siroi Lily Festival 2016 concluded at Siroi village in Ukrul yesterday. Chairman of ADC Ukrul, Dr. Yaron So Ngalung, appealed to the state government to promote and give importance to state flower Siroi Lily and Siroi Lily Festival as given to state animal Sangai. He said even though the state government has declared Siroi Lily as the state flower, the flower has been left neglected till today. He said like the attention and importance given to the Sangai, the same amount of attention must be given to Siroi Lily. Dr. Ngalung said the government is yet to recognize the importance of the state flower. The festival was organized by Siroi Lily Festival Organizing Committee May 18 to 21 under the sponsorship of the Tourism Department. The officials of the department were conspicuous by their absence on the concluding day.
Siroi Lily is a state flower. Sangai is state ki sani adubo recognition si later so promotion si pachana pita pigi SIROY asida koi ki nakke ba tampu ki pronunciation ji distort to bi reba atu na indigeneity hai tu nei ne there is no indigenous element when you call Siroi oh asida ke ba tu na sing na no koi na koi bayam si na sing na koi indigenous stuff si flower si koi recognize to se arati Siroi ki mami chapta na thom da ni.
Mayang Imphal OC in a press release informs that the body of Wahengbam Ichan Devi from Sekmaijin Kuno Mayai Lekai Uchiwa under Mayang Imphal police station will be disposed of if the family does not collect the body by May 25. Body of Wahengbam Ichan Devi is lying at Rimsmok. A workshop cum production of Mahadumain was held at Bamun Kampu Makhalekai. The workshop was held by Kangabam Manglemba as a project sponsored by Ministry of Culture. In her speech at the event, Director of Art and Culture Dr. K. Susila said, though small, Manipur is rich in art and culture. He also expressed concern that many art forms have become extinct in the state.
Culture heritage ki site ta sallaba posting asi Ministry of Culture na singbiduna aikoi masi aikoi gi minba aikoi Department of Art and Culture na su aikoi Manipur gi kachin koya da laiba aikoi gi culture bu nusiba adu culture bu thawa yauja ba sing sida su aikoi na yama su yamdra ba su aikoi na masi grant se khar tan pijaraga aikoi culture sing bu thawa yau ba sing da aikoi mating pangna boina aikoi ngasi phawda Department of Art and Culture na honajari.
Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association MMTA today celebrated the 3rd anniversary of successful summit of Mount Everest by MMTA at its complex at Minutong. 3 mountaineers of Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association conquered the Mount Everest on this day in 2013. The mountaineers shared their experiences at the event. Prizes were also presented to the winners of rock climbing contest held as part of the celebration. United People's Front today condoled the demise of Nomai Tempasa, patron member of Mega Marathon Manipur organized by UPF Manipur. The members observed 2-minute silence as mark of respect to the departed. In sports news, for the very first time in the Northeast and the 6th in India, a judo training center was opened at Mayang Imphal under the aegis of Judo Federation of India. Manipur Olympic Association's President MLA I. Hemochandra, who is also the Revenue, Law and Forest Minister, inaugurated the Kuman Indoor Stadium, which is a part of the Mayai Lambi Sports Academy located at Mayang Imphal, Thana IB Road. Speaking at the event, the Education Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar said the training center will just not only groom many judo players of the state but produce many players who would bring laurels to the state. He further said due to lack of facilities and a whole fit for judo in the past, the state has been missing out on many offers from Judo Federation of India. The President of Judo Federation of India, Mukesh Kumar, announced the list of 25 players who have been selected for 4-year training.
All India ki agoi international ki keno da sanarap matam da Manipur si yam na maruoi aduga Manipur si na agoi ki judo players in the masing yam na putuk masing manung da agoi main one ki ndo da yam na masing yam na putuk pa adur gadi sanaroi sing sigi yenga kanda sanabasi ki thawai yausa basi yenga kanda agoi mapam asida na yam na putuk tokol piba amadi Mayai Lambi Sports Academy ki masing yamna thawai ho hai batara masing apun ba collective effort asina masing ya koi honorable chief minister ki blessing ka loina na akoi ngasi thak asi jo ko ngapani.
Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. All major rivers in Manipur flowing above danger mark following incessant rains. Several areas flooded in Imphal. Campaigning in full swing as only 11 days are left for the IMC election. Candidates of various political parties hoist flags. Works Minister visits Technopole to assess landslide. Over 60 passenger and goods vehicles stranded due to the landslide.